Well, we got a whole bunch of shit started today, but nothing done. Old Burns out planting corn next door today. What do you think about that, Shaggy? Well, I guess I figured out why that ain't working anymore. 24 years old, I guess the old field gauge decided she wasn't gonna work no more. And thanks to the world's greatest tool, we snuck her right out of there, boys. Today we're greasing and changing oil on old Blue. Josie, what do you got in your mouth? Huh? Josie, have you been over there digging in Mommy's flowers? I'm thinking Josie grass when the wife and no name gets home. How about it? You know what, boys? I love living in the country, farmland. I could never live in the hood. Because there's definitely no hoods here. My buddy Brian Sam stops and visits today. He brought us 2 young boys. They're twins. And you guys got a dirt bike. What is it?
Yamaha, which stands for you and me.
How about it? So these are my 2 new best friends, Nicholas and Zach. I want to thank you guys for coming by to see me today. But you know what? I got to put oil back in old Blue, okay? Well, we decided that we're not getting anything done working today. So we're going to have hot dogs for lunch and screw work. Lulu, you've gone right to drooling over the hot dogs, haven't you? Ain't nothing better than hot dogs for lunch. Right, boys and girls? Lulu, you know, I used to make girls do that years ago. Now who shows up? You know, no wonder I don't get nothing done around here. Am I under arrest? What the hell is this thing you just showed up with?
This is my presidential police escort bike.
Okay, so?
You can't have a bike without a cooler.
Now what do you got?
Ribs.
Barbecue ribs?
Jordan smoked ribs today. They are
Smoked ribs.
unbelievable.
Oh, so that's better than Britney Spears. I have never sucked a bone, but I might suck this one. All right, boys, thanks for stopping by, but I gotta get back to work.
Of course you do. See you so later.